No email, no phone number, no password. No problem. Today I will show you how to recover your TikTok account in 2 simple ways even if you forgot everything. So for that, first we have to open up our TikTok and go to your profile page. So if your account doesn't appear there, tap on add account. Now choose phone, email or username. Sometimes TikTok shows your saved email automatically, but if nothing appears, don't worry, just enter your username. If you don't remember your username too, just ask a friend or follower to open your profile and send it to you. Now enter your username and tap continue. Now TikTok will ask your password, but since we forgot it, tap need help logging in option. So here we'll get 3 options: reset with phone, reset with email, and the last one is recover your account. Since we don't have phone or email access, choose recover your account option, and TikTok will search for account connected to your device. But in your case, if your account doesn't appear here, simply type your username again and search. Once your account shows up, select it and continue. TikTok will now send a verification code to your email if it's still connected. Now enter the code, and in many cases, your account gets recovered immediately, and this is the fastest recovery method, so always try this first. But in your case, if the first method doesn't work, open any browser and search for TikTok support. Now go to report a problem, then follow this path. You just have to go for report a problem again and scroll down and tap need more help. Now choose to continue with email. Now you just have to fill the account recovery form correctly. Enter your username, which is really mandatory, then enter your sign up date if you remember, optional but helpful. And now from the linked phone, email, if you forget them, just keep them. Now enter the device you use for TikTok, enter linked account like Instagram or Facebook if you remember. And the next thing, you have to enter your current contact email, which is very important. You have to enter it carefully. And now in the description box, explain your problem and include your username. And lastly, upload a screenshot if possible and take the declaration. And when you're okay, just tap submit. And now you just have to wait for TikTok to contact you. And this is how you recover your TikTok account using 2 different methods. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.